So, hello everyone. It is our delight and pleasure to have with us today Natasha Selmi. So, Natasha is a chef, food stylist, and now the author of the best-seller cookbook, Fast, Fresh, and Flavorful. She is popularly known as the founder of Mamma Mia, Gelato, and a food columnist at the T2 Telegraph. Natasha has lived in various parts of the world and trained in culinary schools in Italy and Singapore. Through her online culinary platform, Cucina Maya by Natasha, which in simple words means My Italian Kitchen, she now shares her passion for cooking modern cuisine in a practical and simplified manner. Just give me a moment. Let me spotlight Natasha. जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं उसको spotlight तो करें. Now about her book, Fast, Fresh, and Flavorful. So I do have the copy. Is it visible? Yes. So this book actually goes beyond just recipes and is designed to be your go-to reference for easy cooking. My daughter is also using this. She's just 13, and there is a lot you all can pick up, about basic cooking techniques, substitution tricks, and utilizing leftovers to optimize your time in the kitchen. Natasha uses lot of local ingredients, but us local ingredients say she cooks all global cuisine, and she shows you how to create global dishes uh, to please your family, including kids. And the book also includes all the meal plans, grocery lists, and dietary adaptations. And this book is way beyond your regular cookbook. And let me tell you, Natasha, though you have covered global cuisine in the book, from Mexican, Asian, Mediterranean, and Korean and everywhere, it's a boon for Italian food lovers. And I love your 4 ingredient spaghetti recipe from therein. Very simple, but it turns out delicious. I'll post the picture soon. And for everybody else, you can connect with Natasha on her website, which is
Cucina Mia by Natasha. My
Natasha.
team is just typing it out. If you just, on the chat, my team is typing it out.
Okay. And the cookbook is available on Amazon. I will just, Natasha, if you allow me, I'll just play a small video clip of your cookbook with all the pictures, beautiful pictures. And welcome, Natasha, to the platform.
Thank you, Kavita.
It's a pleasure to have you. Frankly, it's amazing to have you here with us. Let me just play that one. Just give me a second. Is it visible?
Yes.
So this is about the book, a very, very small clipping of what is available in the book. It's a wonderful book. Guys, get out on the Amazon, and I will share the link in the chat box too. So welcome, Natasha.
Hi, thanks, Kavita. Thanks so much. Hi, everyone. It's a pleasure being with you all today. So as Kavita said, it's all, I think all of you are about career after
family.
After family, yes. So career after family. I'm also a mom of 2 boys, 4 and 6 years old, so not very old. And I've just finished their Zoom sessions and the homeschooling and, send them off for football lessons and now working.
Okay.
So yeah, lots. I would love to chat with you and, you know, inspire you and guide you about career after family.
Wow.
More than, you know, the book and food, okay, but it's more just to chat and connect.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely, Natasha. So Natasha, we would like to know how you started this food styling, because it's quite new, and I think Gelato you only got to Calcutta.
Yeah, we were the first brand in India. I went to Italy. I was 22, straight out of college, and I trained to make the gelato. I came back to Calcutta and I started off. And then I sold the company. I sold Mamma Mia in 2013. It's still there, the different owners, grew it into
Yeah.
a brand and moved on, had a family, got married. My husband's Italian. We moved to Singapore. And then I had both my kids, and then I had to take up a career, so Mamma Mia would have been a full-time business, and you know, it was the peak season time, is weekends and late nights. So once you, as a woman, and as all of you, once you decide to settle down, have a family, you need to choose something that you can do where you can balance it all. And ideally, the best thing I would advise you is work from home. If you don't want your kids to be neglected and be left to nannies, and you want to not be stressed, just now I'm doing everything. If you see my house, you know, there's toys everywhere, there's work also, there's food styling happening here. You know, the camera is this side, my children are on the other end. But you can do it all. So I would really recommend working from home. So how I got into food styling was 3 years ago. Trust me, 3 years ago, I didn't know anything. My youngest son just turned 4. So I was busy into having babies and doing the play dates and, you know, baby world. Then I took up a course. I didn't know anything about, I wasn't into food. I came to Bangalore and I just said, everyone said, okay, it's Instagram is the new thing and digital marketing is the new thing. So you need to learn food photography. I didn't even know Instagram kya hai, you know, because I was busy having babies and online kya ho raha tha, mujhe nahi pata. I was only looking at baby websites. Then I did a course. And then through Instagram, I started learning, and दूसरे food photographers को मैं follow करने लगी, उनसे सीखते. अभी भी I just did a course last week. So what I would say is, that's how I got into it. I developed an interest. I realized कि it's important. We're all good cooks. हम लोग सब अच्छा खाना बनाते हैं. But वो खाना पहले तो आँख से खाते हैं.
हाँ.
तो कैसे उसको अच्छा देख, and just with a phone you can do simple tricks. So yeah, you can always learn. It's never too late to learn.
Wow.
And today I'm teaching you. So 3 years ago I was learning. Today I'm teaching you, and I did my whole book myself. The styling aspect, yes.
Okay, so how did the book happen, Natasha? From you know, cooking and styling, how did the book happen?
So basically, what I've been doing, my main thing is I'm a chef. But I got into teaching. You should join my workshops. I basically found an interest in teaching people to cook rather than, you know, doing a catering business or having a restaurant. As I said, you have to balance it out with a family.
Yes.
And I learned that cooking is a pleasure. It's something pleasurable. Now, I did not grow up cooking. Trust me, I didn't walk into 7-8 years ago. I could not cook a meal together, and I hated. I never went to the kitchen as a child. And you know, growing up in Calcutta, you don't really have to do anything.
Yeah.
But I wanted to teach people the pleasure of cooking and enjoying good food. So I started doing my workshops. And I simplify it. Like, you know, सबके लिए cooking stress होता है, खाना बनाना है, क्या बनाना है, किसी को पसंद नहीं आएगा, बच्चों को कैसे पसंद है, you know, सबको. And then nutrition डालो, healthy करो, you know, avoid imported stuff. So I do my workshops. I have my blog, Instagram, YouTube channel. So it was always my dream कि किताब लिखो and, you know, be a cookbook author, because मैंने दूसरे authors, chefs से सीखा है, मैंने self learn किया है. I have, you know, a full shelf of cookbooks. So it was my dream ki, you know, to write a book and to help others. And as you said, you're enjoying it and aapki beti enjoy kar rahi hai. And मैंने एकदम simple किया है कि अच्छा खाना using local ingredients, कुछ fancy नहीं चाहिए. मैं एकदम कोई fancy दुकान में नहीं जाती हूँ. मैं एकदम local ingredients use करती हूँ.
Absolutely.
But उसको कैसे थोड़ा flavorful बनाओ, थोड़ा interesting बनाओ, you know. तो restaurant style खाना घर पे, because आजकल के बच्चे और हम लोग भी दाल चावल नहीं खाना चाहते. अगर दाल चावल नहीं खाना है, रोटी सब्जी नहीं खाना है, तो फिर क्या खाना है? तो फिर रेस्टोरेंट खाना घर में बनाओ.
True.
And that's what my book aims to do, and that's what I wanted to do. That it simplifies everyone's life.
Absolutely.
So that's what it is.
It actually does simplify, Natasha. आपने जिस तरह से उसको present किया है ना, weekdays का plan and the grocery list is also given.
हाँ, कि अगर आपको ये रेसिपी बनाने हैं तो आप ये सब
क्या क्या चाहिए.
It's honestly, I've also shared my personal. This is actually, I cook all these dishes in my own home.
Okay.
So अभी भी मैं जब खाना बनाती मैं खुद ही ये किताब निकालती हूँ. So yeah.
Amazing, Natasha. Very nice. How do you manage 4 साल और 6 साल के बच्चे के साथ so much?
I don't waste time. So it's all about being organized. You have to be organized. So बच्चे का time, and then don't waste your time यहाँ वहाँ घूमने फिरने में. I don't socialize too much. Only weekend is socializing. Organize yourself. Even your cooking, your groceries. Now everything is with delivery.
Yeah.
काम के time में काम करो. So फिर switch off करो.
Absolutely. So it is manageable, right? Because many of us give excuses कि मेरा बच्चा अभी छोटा है, and with 2 boys. So I have
I have 5 o'clock is their park time. Such as 4 to 5. I told you when we decided also कि I need to finish off.
Yes.
I'll be at the park with them. I'm playing football. I'm doing everything.
Wow.
And then dinner time. So सब चीज का time है. But discipline yourself.
Yes.
Discipline yourself.
Fantastic, Natasha. Any advice you will give to all the wannabe entrepreneurs here जो कि कुछ plan करना चाहते हैं अब आगे?
In fact, I'm always advising my friends and always guiding. अब अभी के लिए तो free advice मैं दे रही हूँ, तो अगर आप लोगों को भी advice चाहिए, phone कर देना, message कर देना. थोड़ा देर बाद I might start some consultancy charges. नहीं, because बच्चे तो बड़े हो जाएंगे.
Yes.
फिर आप क्या करोगे? फिर either you're sitting on your husband's head, or you're sitting, just sitting with gossiping and doing kitty parties, or you're sitting on your children's head. This was also something I saw with my own mother. She always worked. She always kept herself busy. Always stayed independent. Already my son, my older बड़ा बेटा 6 साल का है. Just now they've gone for football lesson. मैं बोली नहीं मम्मा आपको आने का जरूरत नहीं है. I'm a big boy now. Mama doesn't need to come. So what is the mama going to do if mama's basing her whole life on the बच्चे? तभी तो 6 साल के 2 साल बाद I'm just going to be by myself.
Yeah.
So look back at your life and say, what have I done? What have I achieved for myself? And choose. And if you want, choose a business or choose an activity or an occupation, just side by side hota rahe. And you can grow when you feel you have more time or less time. So that way it's good as a woman to be an entrepreneur versus having a job.
Yes.
कि अपने pace पे सब चीज कर लो,
Absolutely. 100% agreed on this. And your work from home idea is also really good.
Yeah.
You can manage both.
जो भी है,
आप घर से manage कर सकते हैं.
मैंने अपने घर में एक कमरा मैंने अपने काम का कमरा बना दिया. So then when you have to work, you have your space and you can be productive,
Yeah.
So yeah, that's my advice.
Wow.
You
Very
can,
nice.
if you want to, you can do it all.
So very nice, Natasha. Let's begin the session now with the food photography tips from your end.
Sure. I'm going to show you some simple stuff, simple tricks with the phone, which can make even simple khana look glamorous. Okay.
Wow.
So let's get going. And then I'll discuss a few pictures I took from the book and how I did it.
How? Yes.
Yeah? Right. Okay. See? Where's mine? Right. Okay, can you see me? Sorry, we have to deal with that against the light. Can you see me?
Yes, Natasha.
Okay, so let's come along to my setup. So I've got kabli chana here, just a simple chola that I made.
Yes.
Okay. Now, these are boards, but which you get, I'll share the sources from you. But otherwise, you can just use normal paper or chart paper. If you go to a stationery shop, you can use You first need a nice backdrop. So even table mats will do, textured paper, any kind of paper. Okay.
Okay.
And so let me just show you what I've done here, and then I'll. तो मैंने simple एक चना बनाया है. ठीक है. Crockery is important. You see, my crockery is all neutral colored.
Yes.
आप या तो crockery दिखाओ या तो खाना दिखाओ. It's like आप कपड़े जब पहनते आप लाल पीला नीला सब एक साथ नहीं पहनते ना. और या तो heavy jewelry पहनो या तो heavy साड़ी पहनो.
Yes.
So what a lot of people go wrong is with the crockery. It's a simple from Fab India. I have this crockery. I have this bowl which is neutral shade. You see, you can use wood. You can use this stoneware. आजकल ceramic बहुत चला हुआ है. Ceramic ware, you know.
Yes.
So इसमें देखो, you see how the khana is standing out. Now I've chosen a dark background. This could even be dark paper. Otherwise, I'll share with you where you get these boards. There are people who make या कोई भी लकड़ी मिस्त्री भी बना देगा.
Okay.
Plaster of Paris के साथ या कोई भी if you use a dark mat, tablecloth, but neutral shade, and the khana stands out. Okay, now this is I'm gonna decorate this. Now खाना थोड़ा natural लगना चाहिए. तो इससे मैंने पराठे डाल दिए. तोड़े हुए पराठे, not एकदम perfect paratha. So it looks like it's ready कि you know तोड़ के खा लो.
Yes.
Okay. Now you see I've chosen a flat dish. ताकि चना stands out. अगर आप बोल के अंदर डाल दो, तो मुझे तो बोल के अंदर देखना होगा. वो खाना नहीं दिखाई देगा.
True.
So that is one. This is the same dish. If you make now, this needs to be garnished. And this needs to be filled up on the side, okay? So maybe you add a spoon. Now, I need to add some gloss. So मैं थोड़ा नींबू squeeze कर दी. And यही नींबू मैं इधर छोड़ दी.
अच्छा, okay.
So you see.
What interesting ways, yeah.
But look how natural it looks,
Yeah,
you know?
absolutely.
Okay. Now I'm going to get the fresh elements. I'm going to get the dhania patta and the hari mirchi. Now dhania patta मैंने fridge में रखा है. I'll just show you थोड़े पानी में. तो पानी में रखने से वो fresh रहता है.
Fresh, okay.
Also on the sides I have some props. You see, just कोई भी घर के एक napkin मैंने ले लिया. सब neutral shades. आप देखो. So you know, you just put one napkin here, add some texture, and then I'll show you the picture. So just wait. I'm going to go get the fresh herbs.
Okay.
ये देखिए मैंने इसको सब एकदम ताजे हैं herbs.
Right.
Okay, so मैंने पानी में रखा था, फ्रिज में रखे ठंडे रखने के लिए. Now ये मैंने धनिया पत्ता अभी मैंने बाजार से लाया है. तो wilted herbs जो भी हो do not use. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So you see, you need a pop of green. Okay. So that's gone. Green chili. अब जो जाता है इंडियन फूड में मैं एक
सब चीज
एक green chili यहाँ डाल देती हूँ. Okay, so maybe a few green chilies here and there. It's already coming together.
Yeah.
Now I'll show you how to click. So just show 45. Okay, I want to show you the lighting. You see, I'm using natural lighting.
Natural light. Okay.
You see where I've placed. आपके कोई भी खिड़की हो या balcony हो. And the light is coming in from one side. अगर ज़्यादा light है तो मैंने hole दिया है, नहीं तो मैंने tinted glass use किया है. Okay. Natural lighting में the खाना looks the best. As compared to artificial lighting.
True.
Okay, so just hold this here. Show my hand as to how I'm taking the picture. Now I'm going to show you how to click. Okay.
Okay.
Now in photography, मैंने एक napkin यहाँ डाल दिया. So first of all, you understand the composition. Okay. Now watch my phone and see how I click the picture.
Okay.
तो एक तो हो गया ये top वाला angle. Okay, so I'm just gonna click. Let me remove a few things. Okay, so you see that is my picture.
Wow. Yeah.
Can you see that?
Yes.
Okay, now for Instagram, you usually need a vertical picture, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So, just give me a minute. Edit. That's one picture. Now, either you do the top shot, which is here, okay?
Okay.
You see how it's looking nice? You want
Yeah.
to eat it.
Yes.
Now, if I want to show the texture of the chana,
Hmm.
then this angle I take, which is, can you see 45 degrees like this?
Okay.
क्योंकि अगर आप टेबल पे बैठे हो
Mm-hmm.
तो
तो ऐसे
आप तो
दिखेगा.
ऊपर से नहीं देखोगे ना, आप तो नीचे से देखोगे.
Correct.
I mean, I say 45 degrees angle. It's called
Hmm.
45 degrees to the base. Okay.
Right.
So this way, it's a little more realistic,
Hmm.
and you just click. So see, you see this? You can see the texture of the chana. You can see the detail of every chana.
Yeah. Yes.
You see the nibu at the back, and you see. So this is one way of clicking. That's the 45-degree angle.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the top angle.
Top angle. Okay.
Okay, so some dishes, if it's a soup or if it's a like a dal in a flat bowl, मैंने in a bowl and उसके ऊपर कोई texture नहीं है, एकदम flat surface है, soup, dal, तो आप ऊपर से लो.
Okay.
लेकिन अगर उसमें, like my gobi in the book, if you've seen the gobi picture, the kung pao call, maybe you can show everyone.
Yeah.
So that is at 45 degrees because it looks more realistic. I'm seeing every dana of the chana. And it's like, mujhe abhi khana hai. You know, you're reaching out to it.
Yes.
And you see how the food is shining, coming out. There's a little thing, there's a nibu at the back. There's some nibu here. It's reaching out to your senses. You are rotis to toda wa roti ki, you know.
आप अभी खा सकते हो.
अभी खा सकते हो या किसी ने खाया है या आप ये भी कर सकते हो इसको एक बार करके. Now if you want to do a hand model, you know, वो जो hand के साथ भी.
हाँ, right.
So then you put your hand there, make it look nice, and you click.
Oh, wow.
You see, so it looks so real. कि अभी किसी कोई खा रहा है. It should appeal to your taste buds. It should make you want कि मुझे खाना है अभी. खाना है. ये नहीं कि सजाया हुआ कुछ है. It's खाना. It's meant to be eaten. It's not meant to be सजा के रख दो.
Absolutely.
Okay. Now, how do we edit this? So say it's bad light or something, and आपने ये photo click किया है. If y'all want, y'all can use your phones and understand this अभी. So now we go to edit. आपके phone पे edit function है.
Right.
Okay. Let me use another picture. Okay, edit photo. Now the first feature I use is to brighten. Now these, what I'm teaching you about editing, you can also do with your personal pictures, huh? You'll all look like models. Little bit of brightening, a little bit of editing, and everyone looks like a model. Trust me. Okay. तो जो makeup look नहीं है, वो suddenly वो makeup भी आ जाएगा, glow आ जाएगा, सब आ जाएगा. Okay. तो इसको थोड़ा brighten कर लो. Okay. Say it was dim light. First point is this one, this function.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. This is this plus minus exposure. Exposure is for brightening. I'll just tell you what now shadows. I'm finding it too bright everywhere. I want just the food to stand out. So I reduce the shadows to make it little dark on the side.
Okay.
Okay. Then go back to edit. And now say your dhania patta was sada, was little brown, was not, or you had a tomato there which you want to make more lal karna hai.
Yeah.
Saturation.
Yeah.
Saturation is the color. आप इसको बढ़ाओ तो आपका धनिया पत्ता और green लगेगा.
Green हो जाएगा.
Although मैंने ताजा अभी यूज किया, but that sometimes ताजा नहीं होता है, तो वो green हो जाएगा. अगर टमाटर था, वो टमाटर लाल हो जाएगा. Even the color of the chana थोड़ा लाल हो जाएगा. अगर ज़्यादा brown था वो लाल हो जाएगा.
Okay.
So you can go as much as you want. So I've done the saturation. Okay, so then back, and then the best part that I like, you go to the last one, which is vignette.
Okay.
Vignette, you increase, you see how my background starts getting darker, and only the
food is highlighted.
is highlighted. ये पूरा dark हो गया. You see पहले ऐसे था. अब मैंने dark किया, and only the food is highlighted.
Okay.
You got it? You see?
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
effect?
Nice.
And that is basically this setup. Okay?
So pretty simple setup, not too many things are needed.
Otherwise, so first we did, are you there?
Yeah.
Okay. So first we did the brightening.
Yes.
So those of you who want to note, let's take another picture. इसको edit करो. तो आप बताओ पहले क्या होगा? पहले थोड़ा brighten करो. ठीक है?
Correct.
Exposure. फिर आ जाओ, shadow थोड़ा reduce करो because ज़्यादा वो reflection आ रहा है.
Okay.
फिर saturation में जाओ.
Increase करो.
Saturation में बढ़ाओ. हाँ, जितना आपको जरूरत है. इसमें ज़्यादा जरूरत नहीं, but there's some dishes इसमें जैसे salad में ज़्यादा लगता है, salads में. Vignette.
Yeah.
ये 4 में से आपका dark हो रहा है. काम चल जाएगा अभी के लिए. To start with.
Yeah.
And then you can also crop. Obviously, you know, so we crop. अब से ये पीछे ये bold आ गया, ये extra आ गया, मैंने देखा नहीं.
थोड़ा सा, हाँ.
तो इसको बस crop कर दो.
Correct.
So see, a simple chana is looking so good.
Yeah. Very
and
nice.
मैंने बस phone use किया है कुछ. So just a normal iPhone 7. It's nothing fancy. Acha, photography phones. I think somebody asked a question.
Yeah.
I think the iPhone is not the best. I would say, what are the ones you're using? OnePlus is a good one. The Huawei is a good one. All these Chinese phones are actually better for the photography. I still have a very old phone which I need to update. Yeah. So OnePlus, Huawei. What are you using, Marika? Which one?
MI. Okay.
MI also. Yeah.
Yeah.
MI also. So these are cheaper also, and they have a very good lens for the camera.
True.
I'm going to show you one more, the salad. I just have a quick salad. Do we have time?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. And we can take questions also side by side, huh, Kavita?
Yeah, I haven't received any.
Right. When you don't have natural. What about taking pictures at night? I think people are typing questions. Okay.
Yeah.
What about taking pictures at night? So that's where you need my editing functions. You will have to use the artificial light. Let me show you the one I had done when I did it with Flow. It's on my Instagram. Okay, just show them this picture. ये photo देखिए. आपको समझ में आ रहा है कि ये this was artificial light. You can see देखो the little shades of yellow. This is not natural light.
Yeah.
Now it was काफी dark. मैंने brighten किया है. ये लाल टमाटर देखो, मैंने उसको edit किया है वो vibrant से.
Okay.
So you अगर आपका light adequate नहीं हो रात को, you need to use the brightening function and brighten हो जाएगा.
Okay.
But enough कि वो natural लगे और ज़्यादा artificial नहीं लगे.
ना लगे.
Yeah, so that is when you click in bad light, or say you're in a restaurant and you take khana or something you're eating in a restaurant, then you use the editing function and you brighten it. So वो ठीक हो जाएगा.
Okay.
But जहाँ तक हो, try and put if you're at home and if your kitchen has a bad light, go to another room or somewhere, because आप जहाँ तक आप शुरू में ही सही करोगे तो better रहेगा.
Yeah. Editing उतना नहीं करना पड़ेगा.
Exactly. और sometimes editing होगा भी नहीं ज़्यादा.
Yes.
मैंने एकदम तो transform नहीं कर सकते.
नहीं कर सकते, हाँ.
Yeah. Okay, I'll just get the salad now.
Yeah.
Okay. Ab thora andhera ho raha hai. So I'm just going to open up the light more. I'm still trying to avoid the artificial light because the pura reflection, pura look change ho jayega. So as far as you can, agar aapke yahan balcony hai, chhat hai, you know, just move outside. Now the time of the day matters. Agar aap दोपहर को लोगे या मौसम क्या है, यहाँ पे क्लाउडी मौसम है, sometimes it's too bright. तो too bright है तो एकदम बाहर मत जाओ, अंदर आ जाओ.
Okay.
अगर cloudy है, then I could have gone all the way out, but my Wi-Fi will not work there, so that's why.
Yeah.
So now just imagine this is a salad.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? This is just a dummy salad. Now salad, देखिए, मैंने again I'm using a neutral dish.
And a flat one.
And a flat one. I'm not using a bowl.
Okay.
Restaurant में भी आप देखो आजकल जब chefs plate करते हैं, they pile up, create height. I'm creating height and I'm using the neutral shade and not using bowls. जहाँ तक वो आजकल अब bowls थोड़ा avoid करो, otherwise the look of the food, आपका bowl ज़्यादा दिखेगा, खाना कम दिखेगा.
कम दिखेगा, yeah.
Unless it's a liquid, of course. अब देखो मैंने ये पत्ते पुदीना मैंने पानी में रख के फ्रिज में डाला था, काफी उतना ताजा नहीं है, काले हो रहे हैं, पर जो ताजे थोड़े से wilted थे वो खिल गए वापस. So that's the secret of herbs,
green leaves.
Yeah, of using fresh herbs. So that's done. You know, you can again add some lemon. So you add a few little show, you know, little bit of texture. So the liquid, the olive oil.
Yeah.
Let me just put some olive oil. So aapka jo bhi dressing ho, I'm using a dummy salad right now. But you see the olive oil will add the gloss.
Yes.
And then now what do we need? We need a fork. It's a salad. So you can have a salad with a fork and a spoon.
Yeah.
So maybe I'll just put a fork in here, make it look a little natural. You can also just put a spoon there. And I might scatter. This was the similar salad on the cover of the book, Kavita.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. I can see it.
On a white background. Little bit of scattered on the side. And maybe to add a little variety, I add another board. You see, I'm using all neutral shades.
Yes.
Just to create height and create ki kuch ho raha hai. Now, you see the cover of your book, it's the same board that's used.
Yes.
So I'm giving you all my secrets, huh? I'm giving you all my secrets. And now we can. Okay, so this place needs to be filled up a little more. Just put a little. Also, when you're making your food, try and think colors. Think the rainbow.
Okay.
I might add a little napkin there just for a texture. And now you click.
Okay. So, again, the top shot, right, Natasha?
This was a top shot, but you see the salad is looking flat. So it's nice, but agar mujhe, you see the cover picture is a 45
sides
degree.
Yeah.
That I might even add a little more color. Just with this. अब ये देखो.
Height.
You see, you can see the detail, you can see the height, you can see andar kya hai. And it has a dimension. It's not flat.
Yeah.
And you can see the detail, and you want to dive directly into it. And then the board is creating a bit of a break, and it's adding a little bit of wood. Color. But always the food is always the hero. And I've added this cloth over here just for a bit of texture or something happening. Otherwise, thoda khali lagta hai. Okay. But the food is always the hero. Isme there's actually no need for any editing. It looks perfectly fine.
Yeah, I think natural light you need less of editing.
Natural light makes a big difference. So now again, if I want to edit it, sorry, just give me a minute. Okay, here we go. So if I was to edit it, I wanted to show you how I made, so the brightness is
Natasha,
fine. I want to make the background so that,
your voice is cracking a bit.
yeah. Okay, I'll just move towards, I'm almost out of the house. Yeah. Can you, better
Yes.
now?
Yeah, better.
Okay, so I've darkened the background
Hmm.
just to make the food stand out a bit.
Hmm.
And yeah, it's bright enough, so I don't need to, because I use fresh ingredients. You see the mint? So that's my secret. Pani mein dal do,
It looks fresh.
and it's done. Yeah.
Hmm.
So that's that. That's my inputs.
Wow, Natasha, we have a few questions. So how to do with desserts and cakes?
Desserts and cakes. Okay, let me refer to the book and I will tell you what I've done. Now you will
Yes.
understand
How?
everything I've done in the book. Okay. So desserts and cakes. Have a look at this. This was the lava cake with the ice cream.
Mhm.
You see, I've naturally let the ice cream melt. I've let the chocolate drip.
Drip.
Now this is a front shot.
Okay.
Or it's a slightly more vertical shot.
Mhm.
You see the cocoa powder. So this is actually a good book for those who also want to understand photography.
Yes. Lots of pictures.
This was a standing, you see, this was cheesecake in the glass.
Yeah.
And now all these backdrops are available on Amazon. They're available on Amazon as vinyl. These are actually just vinyls. I'll just put the camera back on the stand. Sorry. 1 second. So these are just vinyls which you get on Amazon. It's no doubt. Where are you? Sorry, can you see me?
Yes, Natasha. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So these are vinyls which you get on Amazon.
Correct.
So just look it up. You know, they get them for $200 and they're really good. Now see, this was an apple crumble in dessert. And I went very close because it was boring and it was brown. So I showed the texture.
Yes.
And I let the ice cream melt inside. So create that sensation that you want to eat it.
Yeah, there's a spoon also. There's a
There's a spoon. Exactly. Ki khaya by abhi, someone has dug into it. The food is still the hero. Apples are there, but पूरे side में है. ये नहीं कि सब जगह apples डाल दो और
just on one side, yeah. Then somebody wants to know dark color food like Chinese.
You use a light background. So let's go to the Chinese section. You see, everything can be answered.
Everything is there, yeah.
Okay, dark colored food like Chinese. Now this was a pad thai. You can do dark on dark. Otherwise, you choose a light background. Now noodles. It's nice if you put a hand and bring some life. Once you put a hand, na, wo pura life aa jata hai. And see noodles, you show the detail. Same with the spaghetti. Let me show you the cauliflower, the Kung Pao cauliflower, since you were talking about color.
Yeah.
I use the white background. White tablecloth, white crockery, white bowl, white rice, everything white except the dish,
which is dark.
Which is a brown soya sauce based dish. Look how it's standing out.
Correct.
Yeah. So this is what I would say. If your food is dark, then use a light background, but make sure your background, your crockery, and your accessories
are light.
Yeah. And not stealing the attention. Now this was a Thai green curry. I tried to give it a very tropical, beachy kind of look. You know, if you were say in the beach of Phuket. But thoda pani add kar diya, pani mein lemon add kar diya, herbs add kar diya. One bowl is with the curry by itself, and one bowl has some rice also. Right. So two bowls slightly different because no two bowls are the same. Aapka bowl, mera bowl.
Alag ho sakta hai.
Exactly. Thoda pani ka glass add kar do.
Yeah, and you've used a blue background here.
Yeah, and I've used a blue background here, but at the same time, not a very bright one. This was the same background. It was like a fried rice. It's like a rainbow barley fried rice.
Yeah, this is also amazing.
Now see, I put the pan at the back. Isme. So it looks like it's just been served into 2 bowls. Tell a story. Your picture should tell a story.
Story.
क्या हो रहा है? You want to know आसपास क्या हो रहा है.
True.
So yeah, so that is.
And for the soups, you just showed us the.
So soups, you see, this is the top angle. Because you want to show the detailed bowl mein kya hai, but I also have a 45-degree angle. This was the green soup.
Okay.
This is at a 45-degree angle. It could be either ways. It could have been top angle also.
Top angle also.
But I wanted to give some variety in the book. So this one is 45.
Okay.
But then that Singapore noodle soup is a top angle.
Top angle.
But now see what the dish, it was an Asian soup. So I added chopsticks. थोड़ा सा कुछ डाल दिया, but
ज़्यादा नहीं.
And then there was this other Vietnamese noodle soup. तो ये मैंने थोड़ा light ले आया. Chopsticks डाल दिए, noodles उठा रहे हैं, पीछे चिली पड़ा हुआ है, पीछे एक और बोल लेकिन आधा कटा हुआ है. So एक हीरो है और एक साइड में, you know, कहानी है. लोग कोई और भी बैठा हुआ है वहाँ पे. With a mystery.
Yeah. There is another question. Okay, could you please spell down from where to buy it? Yeah, so that is okay. That's done.
Amazon, yeah. Just if you just Google, look up Fast Fresh Flavorful on Amazon. That's your best way of getting it.
And how do you show the product behind? Look out of focus. Okay, that was the last option which you showed.
If you want to make the product look out of focus, that's if you just focus your camera and tap on the main, go up. You have to put the product piche. You have to create the distance. That's for the camera. I mean, for the phone. If you use a professional camera, वो naturally हो जाता है. तो आप पीछे डाल दो, वो automatically blur हो जाएगा.
In the new phones, they have this portfolio option also.
Yeah, the new phones have a lot more features than what my phone had. अब ये देखिए, ये salad मैंने जो अभी आपको दिखाया ना.
हाँ.
Same cheese. This was the raw mango and papaya salad. So we created a dark background to make the yellow and the red stand out. But this is like a 45 or almost front angle.
Yes.
But I wanted to show the texture because otherwise इसमें कुछ खास है नहीं. तो जब कुछ खास नहीं होता है, आप zoom in कर लो.
Okay.
And show the texture. And just to show you all, this is similar to what I just showed you.
Yeah.
For those of you who don't, you see white crockery at the back, कुछ और पीछे है, पीछे मैंने ये डाल दिया, लेकिन सब nothing is stealing the show. And ये सब backdrops सब आपको Amazon में मिल जाएंगे. If you just Google in vinyl backdrops, or photography backdrops, आपको सब मिल जाएंगे.
You will find
Amazon पे.
Natasha, your Insta handle is?
We'll just type it in. Cucina Mia by Natasha. Cucina. Sorry, it's an Italian name. Cucinamia. My team is just typing it in.
Yeah.
By Natasha. That's Instagram. Same name for website and YouTube channel.
Okay.
And the book is Fast, Fresh and Flavorful on Amazon.
Correct. So wonderful tips, Natasha. And very doable ones actually.
Yeah.
So very simple. Very simple. Just, you have to create that live-in kind of thing and just click pictures. So very nice. There is one question, how to show Indian traditional desserts.
Indian traditional dessert. So आपका अगर खीर हो, so let's say there's kheer in a bowl. तो आप आसपास के वो ऊपर में थोड़े केसर के strands डाल दो, कुछ बादाम पिस्ता आसपास डाल दो. And the same way, you can use Indian crockery, you can use matti ka crockery, you can use copper ka crockery. You see, I got a lot of these things on Amazon. I got these like a whole lot. There's a set of these copper
ones.
Chammach, 3-4 चीज. ये सब Amazon पे मिलते हैं, just put copper thing, matti ke bhar. So all this will add the Indian touch.
Yeah.
So और कौन सी Indian halwa आ रहा है. So if you just follow my same rules, where the food stands out,
yeah.
तो हलवा में कहीं पीछे थोड़ा एक कटोरी में घी डाल दो, ऊपर you put your, you know, badam, pista. Put a traditional Indian koi kapda.
Okay.
So that would be the way you can put some khali katoris on one side. How I put, you see. You can also serve the halwa in a handi or wo matti ke bartan mein.
Yeah.
With Indian food, don't use Western dishes so much, especially these traditional dishes. या तो कॉपर यूज करो या तो मट्टी का यूज करो
या फिर सिल्वर चांदी का भी अच्छा लगता है.
सिल्वर चांदी, exactly.
So Natasha, one question: halwa should be put in a bowl or in a flat dish?
Halwa I would serve in a flattish bowl.
Flattish bowl.
या तो आप ज्यादा use a small bowl तो quantity ज्यादा डालो.
ऊपर heap करना होगा उसको.
You have to heap it up. ये नहीं कि नीचे देखना पड़ता है कि
हाँ,
अंदर
क्या है. Okay.
That's the mistake people make. तो bowl दिखेगा और खाना नहीं दिखेगा.
Yeah, so there is another suggestion of kela patta for Indian food.
Yeah, very good. Kela patta for Indian food. Also, camera में क्या होता है अगर आप छोटी कटोरी यूज करो और हीप अप करो, लेकिन आप जब फोटो लो पास से वो देखने में बड़ा
लगता है.
When someone sends you a photo, say send me a photo, and you're trying to understand the size, फिर बाद में बोले फोटो में तो बड़ा लगा या
बड़ा लग रहा था.
तो छोटी कटोरी में भी आप भर दो तो लगेगा कि
बहुत सारा है.
Exactly.
Very nice, Natasha. Thank you so much for such a wonderful session.
You're welcome. I hope you'll all go order my book and show me some support and love.
Absolutely.
I have worked very hard on it, and the aim of the book is आपको help करने के लिए ताकि आप और आपकी family enjoy करो, and you don't have the biggest, you know, question. I start with what should I cook for dinner?
Yeah.
आज खाना में क्या है? That dreaded question.
So a few have just ordered also the book, and
thank you.
I am actually using the book. It's actually very nice, Natasha. I'm not just saying because you are there in front of me, because it is actually
most people, yes.
Just like your tips, they were very simple, but you know, very doable and so wonderful. Similarly, your book also. Simple things.
I believe in simplicity. Life ऐसे ही complicated है.
हाँ, तो खाने के लिए क्यों complicate करो? Absolutely.
खाना को enjoy करो.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Natasha. Thank you. It was a lovely session having you over.
Thank you for having me. Bye everyone. And हमारे cooking classes होते रहते हैं online. अगर आप हमें बस Instagram पे follow करो या हमारा website. And if you want updates, you can also just put in a message here. I don't know how can, if people want updates, they can let you know on, you can add them to our database or something. If not, everyone might be on Instagram or Facebook.
I think most of us are.
Most of you are.
Yeah.
Perfect. So see you there. Follow us. We have lots of workshops coming up. Ice cream, अच्छा food photography का workshop ये Saturday भी हो रहा है. अगर आपको और detail में सीखना है.
Okay.
And next week, ice cream workshop. I'm doing a gelato workshop. So those of you who know me from out there, I'm teaching you homemade ice cream. No machines needed.
Wow.
That's on Tuesday.
Okay.
And then I'm doing a vegetarian, healthy Mexican workshop the following week.
Fabulous.
And all simple ingredients, like my book, simple stuff. So see you online, see you on Instagram.
Absolutely.
And you can get updates there.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Natasha.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye, everyone.
Thank you everyone for joining in. Thank you.